participating in the sport of windsurfing in the youth category, that's under 22. So basically, the way it works is it's a mixed team event. So me and my sister are going to be representing India.
We need more boys to come and sail with us. That would be very nice. Because we mostly only us two who are sailing. So if we get more born sailors, it would be very nice.
The only obstacles we face during the monsoon season is launching, basically because the seas are very rough. So if there was a good infrastructure laid down somewhere across the river, it would be nice, because then we could also protect the equipment by launching and recovering, and there wouldn't be any damage, so there wouldn't be any more cost of buying new equipment. That's the only thing. And just every training session you do, whether it's light wind or strong wind, there's always a lot of wear and tear of the equipment. So it should always be, the equipment should be recyclable. I mean, there should always be new equipment coming in.
There are good youth which we can promote, so that the seas, hop, skip, anybody can go. This is the advantage what we have got, and windsurfing is in Navda, so why not?
We got into the sport through our dad. A friend of his introduced him to the sport, and he liked it a lot. And watching him sail, I mean, when you see something going that fast on the water and it's just one person sailing it, it's really attractive.